If you think luxury is just about square footage, you haven't experienced a home like this. Welcome to 3001 Rolling Meadow, a stunning Quarles construction home located in one of Salado's most distinguished neighborhoods. Spanning 4,882 square feet and situated on over 1.6 acres in the creeks of Salado, this home is packed with features that function according to your every need, whether it be entertaining, everyday living, or a place to escape. From the moment you arrive, the experience begins. Upon entering, the living room greets you to a one-of-a-kind view thanks to the 3 sets of custom double iron doors. From there, the details further unfold, with 2 dishwashers, 2 refrigerators, 2 wine fridges, 2 pantries, and 2 garages. Everything is designed to make life smoother and entertaining seamless. At the heart of it all, the kitchen. A massive island anchors the space, wrapped in Taj Mahal quartzite and surrounded by custom cabinetry, built-ins, and a professional-grade 48-inch Wolf range. Natural light pours in, while thoughtful touches like an appliance garage and dedicated office nook make this space as functional as it is beautiful. And when it's time to gather, this home delivers. The living, dining, and kitchen areas flow effortlessly together, while 4 secondary bedrooms and built-in queen bunk beds in the upstairs family room offer plenty of space for overnight guests. The expansive outdoor living space features a 20 by 40 foot covered patio, a full outdoor kitchen with a coyote grill, bar seating for 8, and a striking brick fireplace. Just beyond, a custom gunite pool with beach entry invites you to slow down and stay a while. When the day winds down, the primary suite becomes your private retreat. With vaulted ceilings, exposed beams, and a spa-like bathroom, complete with a 0 entry rainfall shower, marble flooring, and elegant dolomite countertops. Throughout the rest of the home, the attention to detail continues. A sound-insulated workout room overlooking the backyard, a beautifully designed laundry space with custom lockers, marble flooring, and a sunken washer and dryer. The home even includes a hidden room upstairs. Every element has been considered. Every space has a purpose. Beautiful, spacious, effortless. 3001 Rolling Meadow isn't just a home, it's a lifestyle. And it's ready to welcome you.